Hey guys, in this video I'm going to open up my Scentsy Whiff Box for the month of August. It's now September and I just wanted to see what I got compared to what other people received. I went online, I couldn't resist. I had to find out what other people received because when I received my Scentsy Club order, my Whiff Box was on back order. And what I found out is other people received 4 full-size wax bars in Aloe Vera and Ivy, Apple and Oats, Breakfast in Bed, and Almond Croissant. They also received a scent circle in Around the Campfire, a Scentsy soak in Cozy Cardigan, and a sample size of dish soap in Lemon Verbena. Okay, so before we get to my Whiff Box, I had 2 other items that were on back order, so let me just quickly open that up and see what it is. I can't even remember, it's been so long. Some wax bars. Okay, so 2 wax bars, and they are both in the Bring Back My Bar lines. Oh yes, so it's Cherry Limeade and Grape Granita. So let me just get those out of the way. And so now we'll get to the Whiff Box. So I'm wondering, like, since I got my Whiff Box much later than everyone else, like, did some of the things sell out? Did they run out of a certain product? Were there any substitutions? So that's really like the main point of me showing you. Even though this box isn't available anymore, it's just kind of fun to see, like, did I get something different? Okay, so there's the little flyer that's pretty standard. Here's the Lemon Verbena dish soap. And here is the full-size Scentsy soak in Cozy Cardigan. It's a really pretty package. That. This must be the wax bars with the Mylar pouch. Do that last. Okay, here's the scent circle, and it is in the scent Around the Campfire. So far, we're 3 for 3. Everything's matching up with what other people received earlier in August. Here's the catalog for the Fall/Winter 2020 collection. Okay, so here's the wax. Open. Okay, it looks like I got 4 full-size wax bars, so it's pretty consistent so far with what other people got. And the first one is Aloe Vera and Ivy. This is the scent of the month for the month of August. I received this in my last Whiff Box as a little sample, that little sample puck, and I liked it. There's a little melty right there. So I'm excited to have a full size of that wax. The next one here is Almond Croissant. This is in the bakery category, and it's like a beige, like pretty plain looking beige wax. But this is these are all in the new lines. And this next one is a darker brown. It is Apple and Oats. I believe that's also in the bakery line. And here's the last one, Autumn Road Trip. So this is the only difference between what other people received and what I received. It's a really pretty orange wax. I just gave it a little sniff and it smells awesome. This is in substitution for the Breakfast in Bed. So altogether, out of the, 7 items, only 1 was substituted. So that's pretty cool. See, it's still in the new line. There it is. If you like this kind of video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.